MeghalayaPost.news.
Namar kajing jurpalat kajing thang khlaw pathar Ri Bhoi district hakane ka ayam terkhong ka balabu jingma haborok kiliang u district magistrate ka Ri Bhoi u abilash baranwal ula penjari sendon daga section 163 BNSS Ri Bhoi district ban khang persha ikino kino giru shimet neki kunhun ban thang khlaw namar kane ka bu jingma hakane ka ayam terkhong habakren sekilat pathai kubor u district magistrate ka Ri Bhoi u abilash baranwal ula ong bala penjari kate ka kyndon an kalong ban khang persha ban thang khlaw namar kane kajing thang khlaw ka kta ikijing imbreu ka kta ikimrat baru wat yakame mariang kino-kino gibaile persya kinha pakajing pynshitom katkum katekaan baru nakaliang gibor sensar district kila kerpat jur ikinong ilam snong makin ai kajing trelang kenang banla banyada nakajing thang khlaw pathar kabawan raru ikijing jabo sosi kum kajing puying kajing kta ikimen simbriu kimrat barwat kajing penjot ekami mariang kumjuru halor kene benta nakaliang ka office u superintendent of police ke Ri Bhoi kila penmi ida kajing tho ban kerpat ikipaj ba kadong Ri Bhoi makinom de ban thang pathar iki khlaw bat kipanru ikijing trelang kenang banla banyada nakino-kino kajing jabo sosi kibakta ikibriu barwat Kimrat kumjuru ya kami mariang.
So the deliberate burning of forests in this dry season is a major problem faced by the district, as a result of which the district administration has issued an order under section 163 of the BNS, wherein we have prohibited all the deliberate burning of forests within the jurisdiction of the Ri Bhoi district. This we have done to protect forest regeneration, simultaneously to protect the lives of humans and wildlife, and simultaneously to prevent air pollution from taking place. The two departments which have been made responsible to enforce the same are the DFO Social Forestry as well as Soil and Water Conservation Office. However, we have also requested them to take all the local authority, that is the headmen and the Rangbash Nongs of the village, into confidence. We appeal to all the headmen and the Rangbash Nongs that they should cooperate with the district administration. They should take this issue seriously, and those people who are burning down the forest for whatever reasons, they should be the headmen should inform the concerned authorities who are responsible for implementation of this order, and they should report to the local police as well. With the cooperation of the local authorities only, we hope that the forest fire burning can be controlled to some extent in order to protect the lives of humans and wildlife together.
MeghalayaPost.news.